Why do our joints crack when we stretch? Is something breaking? Nope. It's just science at work. Inside your joints, there's a special liquid called synovial fluid that keeps everything moving smoothly. When you stretch or twist your fingers, knees, or back, you create tiny bubbles in the fluid. Then, pop. The bubbles collapse, and that's the cracking sound you hear. It doesn't mean anything is wrong, and it's usually harmless. But if your joints crack and hurt, that could be a sign of something else going on. And no, cracking your knuckles won't give you arthritis. That's just an old myth. So go ahead and stretch, but maybe don't make it a habit in a super quiet room. Got a question? Comment below and we might answer it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool science facts.